and I check that I've got full movement in everything and we don't have any clunks. Right. First thing I do, switch the main battery on, and starting up here, push the throttle forward and make sure I get a stop light on, and I can hear the dump valve, and when I pull it back it comes back on. I press that to make sure that that's working. Press that to make sure all the lights are on and out and the circuits are working. And I press this button down here and these should come on as well. So that's all my warning light checks. And then also make sure that there's nothing on that's going to pull a lot of power, like that is on, it should be off. Right, because it soaks power from the battery. It's pitot tube, and just make sure everything is off. Right, wind clock up and set it. Make sure we've enough fuel, enough volts in the battery, and I give it 10 seconds on the starter pump, fuel pump. Might give it a bit longer to it. Water brake on, go to run without turning it over. We then go to ignite, and it should ignite, which it has done. Watching the T4 coming round, that's basically lighting the boiler. At 400 I'll release it and knock off the fuel pump because it's climbing. That'll just stop it climbing too much. As soon as that drops, I'll knock the fuel pump back on. Starting to drop now, I can see. Alright. And I'll just go through everything, knocking everything on now. Headsets, everyone.